morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has fallen 2.9% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has moved sharply into the negative area. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.7% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has sunk into oversold territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 1.1% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI is diminishing into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.6% in the last 3 sessions. The highs-lows indicator is receding and is now giving a neutral signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Germany's antitrust authority has launched a new investigation into Amazon's relationship with third-party traders selling on its site. The sterling-dollar exchange rate's outlook may hinge on upcoming Brexit negotiations as EU and UK officials attempt to deliver a free trade deal before the flagged October deadline. Recent advertising campaigns by cryptocurrency fund management firms are well-timed as investors look for safe havens from inflation.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic event.
The German PPI will be released at 600 GMT, the Swiss trade balance at 600 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT, the Australian manufacturing PMI at 2300 GMT, the UK GfK consumer confidence at 2301 GMT, and the Japanese CPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.